Felicia and welcome back to Felicia Marie TV. Today I'm sharing with you a very fun and helpful guide for music festivals. I know it's music festival season. I'm going to Coachella next month. Miami's Ultra Music Festival is this weekend. I really want to help you guys get prepared. I know Afropunk is coming up. You just have to be prepared. You have to have your essentials. So today I'm going to share with you your top 5 essentials to survive a music festival, because you know it gets crazy. You hear about people passing out and like drug overdosing and all types of crazy stuff. So I just want you to be prepared, because music festivals can be crazy and unexpected things can happen. So I just want you guys to be prepared. So this is what this video is all about. Number 1, sunscreen. This video is sponsored by Girl Sunscreen. I think this is a really important brand because a lot of black people believe the common misconception that black people don't need sunscreen, and we do, you guys. Yes, of course, we have beautiful brown melanated skin that is so much more receptive to the sun, but our skin still needs to be protected. You want to keep this melanin wrinkle free and spot free? Put your sunscreen on, okay? And I love this sunscreen because it's nearly scentless. I used to always avoid sunscreen because it has such a heavy scent and it used to irritate me, but this is nearly scentless and it's so moisturizing. I just put this on my hand and I've been ashy all day because you know it's cold in Florida. That's the big nor'easter is coming. I put this on my hand and I'm so moisturized now. I'm practically glowing, honestly. I'm really in love with this because it's not just a sunscreen lotion, but it's also a moisturizing lotion. So shout out to Girl Sunscreen. Thank you for sponsoring this video. You guys, your number 1 must-have when you're going to a music festival is sunscreen. You don't want to ruin your time by being burnt, by looking like the dancing lobsters from the Amanda Show. You don't want to look like the dancing lobsters. You don't want to feel like the dancing lobsters. You want to feel your shoulders burning when you're trying to get your groove on? No! Put some sunscreen on. Okay guys, so my number 2 fashion essential for music festivals, you need to carry a small bag, whether it be a fanny pack or a mini backpack or a top handle bag, whatever you're carrying, carry a small bag that you can put your phone, you can put your cash, you can put your ID, and you can put your sunscreen. Your sunglasses, you know, all your essentials. I know a lot of people like to bring big book bags to music festivals so they can put them in lockers or whatever, but you also need a small bag that you can carry around with you to the music festival. Something that you can tuck all your essentials in and keep it moving. Something that's not too heavy, you know? A lot of people love fanny packs. I'm not into them. I like to carry a small top handle bag. You guys know I have my little brown basket bag. That's probably what I'll be carrying to Coachella because it locks securely and it's easy for me to carry. You can do a little small backpack, which you can wear on your front side if you want to be more secure, or on your back side. Honestly, you just need a little small bag to tuck all your essentials inside. Okay guys, so my third music festival fashion essential, you are going to need comfortable shoes. Now I know you want to look cute and you want to have your heels on. Some people are cool with that, some people aren't. I'm going to be wearing heels, but of course I'm going to be bringing a change of shoes. I got some really comfortable flat sandals, and I know one of my favorite YouTubers, when she went to Trinidad Carnival, she got these sandals that are kind of like orthopedic sandals, and they were called Cloud 9 or something like that. Her name is Deja Monet. I will tag her YouTube channel here so you guys can see those sandals. Honestly, you can get some comfortable orthopedic sandals, or you can get some sneakers. I might bring my running shoes, my Nikes, because honestly any outfit you can match them with. They're all black. Honestly, you just need some comfortable shoes because you can't be walking around in high heels and wedges all day. Honestly, you're gonna get exhausted, your feet are gonna hurt, and you're gonna get sick of it. You don't want to be walking around barefoot, do you? No. Pack some comfortable shoes. Even if they're grandpa shoes, pack them. You know grandpa shoes are trending right now. What's it? Balenciaga? Balenciaga. I don't even know how to say that, but you know those shoes are trending right now. Pack your grandpa sneakers and get to it. Okay guys, so my next essential, it's not really a fashion essential, but it's definitely necessary. Everyone is going to be traveling with their phones, with their cameras, with their GoPros. Bring yourself a portable charger, one of those charging banks that can plug in multiple USBs into it. There's so many out there on the market. I scooped up one this past weekend from CVS. There's so many out there, and they're so helpful because they can charge your phone for up to 5 or 6 hours, and they're really helpful when you're not going to be anywhere near an outlet for a while. So really charge those things up. If you want, you can bring multiples. They are so freaking helpful. I was just at Orlando Caribbean Festival this past weekend, and like halfway through the night my phone was dead. I plugged it right in and I'm good, you guys. You have to be safe out here because you never know if you're going to get separated from your group or if you're going to be in a situation where you feel unsafe, so you have to have your electronics charged at all times, you know? Okay guys, and finally, this is one of the most important things you can bring. Bring yourself a water bottle. Most music festivals allow you to bring plastic water bottles inside, and you can fill them at multiple water stations. You guys, one thing that people don't realize, when you go to these music festivals, you get easily dehydrated because you're partying in the sun, you're dancing, you're losing it. You're sweating all day, and you don't realize how dehydrated you get. So bring yourself a plastic water bottle or a camel pack, those things you can wear on your back and refill with water. Just make sure you bring them and make sure you refill them. That's the thing. Don't just be carrying around an empty water bottle because you're gonna pass out. I'm sorry, you're gonna pass out. Make sure you're carrying it around and you're refilling it a couple of times an hour. Like, you really want to over hydrate yourself to make sure that you don't pass out, or you never know what can happen. You just don't want to put yourself in a bad situation. So carry around a plastic water bottle. I believe they have to be below 40 ounces for Coachella, and I believe it's similar for other music festivals. Just be prepared to drink water, you guys. I know so many people who have passed out or have suffered from dehydration going to these music festivals because they're drinking liquor or they're taking drugs and they're partying hard and they're sweating, and honestly, you could really harm yourself from not drinking enough water. So make sure you have your top 5 essentials, you guys. We have sunscreen, we have a small bag, we have a charger bank, we have comfortable shoes, and of course we have a water bottle. You guys, I hope you guys like this video. I really wanted to give you a lot of key details to surviving a music festival. Of course, I'm going to share my experience with you guys. I know it can get kind of crazy, so I just really wanted to give you guys those details. If you have any other questions, make sure you comment down below. If you have any suggestions, or if you want to give anyone else festival tips, make sure you comment down below, because festival season is here, you guys. Oh, and comment down below. Tell me what music festivals you're going to. Are you going to Coachella? I'm going weekend 1. Let's meet up, people. Let's meet up. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you want to see more like it, make sure you comment down below. Like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you can see my beautiful face in your subscription box a couple of times a week. I upload new videos for Makeup Monday, Travel Tuesday, Wig Wednesday, and Fashion Friday. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook. I'm at Felicia Marie TV. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She likes sushi too, we compatible, and these other guys have it, so